Hi everyone, it's Donna from Florida Insurance Agency. I'm back. I know I was negligent, but we have a nice summer pasta for you. So I kind of waited till we are in season for a lot of these things. Olive oil, cherry tomatoes, garlic, linguini, salt, and whole milk ricotta cheese. Don't put your noses up with ricotta. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I'm telling you, this makes a nice, just creamy pasta. Basically, put your noodles on to boil. While the water is coming to a boil, get your pan ready with olive oil. Cut your cherry tomatoes in half. Saute them till they're 5-7 minutes. When the pasta, I would wait till more to the end to put the pasta in, but it says to put the pasta in after it's cooked for so many minutes al dente. I would wait. And I have waited. When tomatoes are done, put your garlic in. Then transfer your pasta into your big dish, your bowl, your pan. Put it in your pan. Put the ricotta cheese, make it smooth, and you're probably going to reserve some of that pasta water. Put I start a fourth, and just keep on till you get a nice creamy sauce. That's it. That's dinner. However, if you have meat lovers or whatever, make some shrimp on the side. Just take just as long, or you want pre-cooked shrimp, or maybe even a piece of chicken breast. Whatever. But this is just a 5-ingredient tomato ricotta linguine. Enjoy.